Digital Mentor here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. Today I'm going to show you 4 sites that pay you to do homework. Now, if you are really good in a subject or you just want to make a little extra money online, this video is for you. You are going to get paid to do other folks' homework, which I know kind of is what you've been told not to do in school, but now you're going to get paid to do it online. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We get a couple new subscribers every video that I've been posting, and I really appreciate all of you. If you like my videos, you want to know as soon as I post one, hit the bell icon for notifications for my future videos. Like I said, guys, I am trying to post one at least 5 days a week. It's a lot of work. I am a mom of 3, so just bear with me. If you are looking to quit your job, if you're ready to take the big leap, you don't want to answer to your boss, you don't want to do the normal grind of the 9 to 5, 5 days a week, take a look at my #1 recommendation. It's going to be your first link in the description below. Just getting right into this video, I am going to take you to a site called School Salver. Now, for today's purposes, you are going to be doing people's homework and getting paid to answer questions, to write papers, and for tutoring as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to School Salver. You are going to click right here. You're going to register. You're going to get yourself all registered, a username, an email. It's a really quick registration process. You aren't going to really have to take exams. They're not going to ask a whole bunch out of you. So that's why this might be one of my favorite sites. One of my favorite things is they have a really quick online chat with live people. You're going to be able to get a hold of somebody whenever you need them. It's really quick, it's really easy. Now with this site, you're going to get paid to answer questions that students post. And with these questions, they are going to post exactly how much this question being answered is worth to them. So once you get yourself all registered, you get yourself logged in, you are going to go to ask questions. Answer questions. Sorry, guys. Answer questions. And once you get there, you are going to see a boatload of questions. There are 902 pages worth of questions. And these questions can range anywhere between a few cents, which is a really quick answer, to $20, which I'm assuming is going to probably be like a whole paper. As you can see, this one's worth $1. Chemistry questions, use the equations 1 and 2 and their receptive equations. Then there are going to be 50 cents ones. What is an island in an interconnected power? So that's a 1-word answer. It's worth 50 cents. It's a physics problem. And then you're going to have things like accounting, which is going to be worth $25 to them. As you can see, we can just scroll through a few more of these to give you an idea of the questions and the things that they're going to be looking for. Here's one that's $30, and it's under the other, and it's with the Healthcare System Administration. So that one's probably going to take you a little bit longer. This one is $120. That's probably one of your bigger ones. If you're really good at accounting, I've definitely checked this site out. A lot of these questions are going to be like healthcare, business, computer science, physics, calculus, things of that nature, things that people really don't want to get into. It's going to be a lot of question answering. Wow. Okay, I lied. That 121 is probably not going to be the highest. This one is worth $500, and it's computer science. It's a computer science problem that they're going to need. So, I mean, there's like endless amounts of questions on here that you can answer. You can go through and answer as many as you want. If you're good at computer science, calculus, math, engineering, physics, this is probably my absolute favorite site for getting paid to do homework. Now that we've looked at this site, I'm going to pop over to another site for you guys, and this is going to be Tutor Hub. So Tutor Hub is a tutoring site, and as you can see, they'll tell you exactly how it works. It's really discreet. You can end up being a tutor. So you're going to be doing one-on-one questions with folks that need help with certain subjects. I'm assuming when you register, you're going to need a degree because this is a pretty respected site. So right now they have over 14,000 students as well as 2,921 tutors. So they wouldn't have this many tutors if it wasn't completely legit. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the sign up page and you're going to get yourself all signed up. You're going to click this little box here that said, I would like to become a tutor. And then I'll just show you really quick on how it works. You are going to have background checks. They're going to make sure that you have degrees. You're going to have to you're going to have to you're going to have to make yourself a profile, and then you're going to get paid in euros, which I think this might only be available in the UK, but that might transfer over to a dollar amount. So I'm going to pop over really quick to the frequently asked questions in case there were any questions that you were curious about. So what they're going to do is they're going to buy minutes of tutoring time in 9 or 90-minute chunks. So you can either do like a 10-minute tutoring session or you can do an hour-and-a-half tutoring session and get paid really decent money. They have a database of tutors, which you'll be a tutor, and then your lessons are going to be recorded. Now you're going to be doing like video lessons with these people and you just need to answer it. They're going to have kids ranging from kindergarten all the way up to college and university tutors. So if you're really good with kids, you have a degree, it's summertime, you're not really getting any jobs coming in, this will be a great site for you to be able to make a little bit extra cash over the summer months when school is out of session. Now, going back into another homework site, we are going to go to, sorry about that, guys, help with an assignment. Now, this one is really similar to the first site that I had shown you, except instead of posting prices for jobs, they're going to pay you $9.50 per page. And they're going to pay that because they're going to pretty much want you to do the whole homework assignment. You're still going to be a tutor and you're still going to need a degree to sign up for this one. But they're going to pay you $9.50 per page, which is crazy. You're going to get yourself signed up, you're going to go over, and you're just going to be able to keep answering all these questions. The one thing that I really like about this site is it's available worldwide. So like I said, a bunch of you teachers out there who are out of work for the summer, definitely check this site out. You're going to really enjoy it. You're going to get paid $9.50 per page that you do. But you have to understand that this site is going to take a little bit of a cut out of that $9.50. It's just the way it works. They have to be able to make money somehow. So understand that you're not always going to get the exact $9.50. You are going to get paid a cut out of the $9.50. I haven't quite figured out how to sign up for them. So you're just going to click on here and just type to this person. They answer immediately exactly how to sign up to be a tutor. But please remember that you might need a degree for this site in order to be able to become a tutor on there. That's why I said this probably, angled more towards the teachers. We are going to go into this last site, which is very similar to this site. It's another tutoring site, and it's called Tutor.com. Now, this is one of the best, most highly recommended site for tutoring on the web right now. They help with SAT scores. They help with everything. They do younger grade levels as well. It's K through, university or college level. As you can see, what you're going to do is you're going to click Become a Tutor. So once you click on here, you're going to fill out an application. You're going to do a subject exam. You're going to do a mock session, and then they're going to do a background check. So you have to make sure when you're applying for this site that you fill all of the qualifications before you go and try and apply to be on Tutor.com. If you are good and you do give high quality work, they do offer incentives and bonuses. So please keep that in mind when you do apply and you are accepted for this site. This is a really great site. I really enjoy it. They're great paying. They have a good recommendation. They are one of the best tutoring sites possible to be, associated with. So definitely check out tutor.com. So let me just go over these again. We are talking about School Solver. And like I said, the students post their homework assignments. They're going to post how much it's worth for them. And you just answer the questions. Then we have Tutor Hub, which is another tutoring site where you're going to get paid to be a tutor with online video tutoring. Then there is going to be helpwithassignment.com. Definitely check this one out. I think it's a little bit easier of an application process than, say, tutor.com, but if you do have a degree, you're out of work for the summer, check it out. You can make a little extra money online. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's really simple. It's really easy. If you want to help people do their homework, you want to answer questions, and you want to get paid, check one of these 4 sites out. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so I can notify you when I post more videos. If you are really looking for my #1 recommendation, make money online, you want to quit your job, you want to be able to just be an online entrepreneur, click the first link in the description below. I think you'll really enjoy what I have to offer. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.